2.10 seventh question. 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 8. X plus 2y is greater than or equal to 8. X plus y is less than or equal to 6. இந்த மூணு இன்இக்குவேஷனையும் நம்ம கிராஃபில் ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணி இந்த மூணு இன்இக்குவேஷனுக்கும் காமனாக இருக்கிற ஏரியா நம்ம ஷேட் பண்ணோம். அதுக்கு ஃபஸ்ட்டு லைன் வரையணும். இந்த ஃபஸ்ட் இன்இக்குவேஷன் ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு we have to draw the line 2x plus y is equal to 8. From this I have y is equal to 8 minus 2x. Let me put x value as 0. When you put x value as 0, I will have y as 8. When I put x is equal to 4, I will have y is equal to 0. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8, I will have 0. Now let us come to the next inequation. X plus 2y equal to 8. Instead of less than or equal to, I am putting equal to simple. From this I will have 2y is equal to 8 minus x. From this I have y is equal to 8 minus x by 2. Now let me put x is equal to 0. I have y is equal to 4. Suppose if I put x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 when I put, I will have 8 minus 4, 4 divided by 2, you will have it as 2. Now let us come to this inequation. This I have x plus y equal to 6. So y is equal to 6 minus x. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6. When x is equal to 6, y is equal to 0. Now I should draw these three lines and shade according to the inequations. So let me draw the graph now. Now in this graph, let me plot 0, 8. 0, 8. Next let me plot 4, 0. So through these 2 points, let me draw the first line. 0, 8 and 4, 0. Let me draw the first line. So this represents the line 2x plus y equal to 8. Now I have to decide which side I have to shade. Either I have to shade this side or shade this region. For that I have to select, let me select a point this side of the line, and let me substitute and see in the inequation whether it is satisfying. So let me select the point 0, 0 and substitute in first inequation. So I am substituting 0, 0 in the inequation 2x plus y greater than or equal to 8. You can see 2 into 0 is 0. Y place if I put 0, it is 0. So 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 8. It is wrong. 0 is less than 8, but we are getting 0 greater than 8. That means it is understood I should not shade this region. Now let me select a point in this particular place. Let me select a point 6, 2 and let me see whether it is satisfying the inequation. If it satisfies, I have to shade this area. So let me substitute 6, 2. Substitute 6, 2 in 2x plus y greater than or equal to 8. So I will have 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12. Y place if I put 2, 12 plus 2. We will have 14 is greater than or equal to 8. So 14 is greater than or equal to 8 satisfies our inequation. So it clearly shows we have to shade this region of the line. Now let me shade that particular region. So this is the region which is satisfying the first inequation. Now we have to draw the next line. For that I have to plot these points on the graph 0, 4 and 4, 2. So let me plot the points 0, 4 and 4, 2. So let us see where is 0, 4. 0, 4 is somewhere here. Next 4, 2. 4, 2 is here. So let me join these 2 points so that we get the next line. So this red line is our second line. Now we have to see this lines which area we have to shade it up. That is whether we have to shade this region or top of this line. For that again let me select the point 0, 0. If it satisfies the second inequation, I have to shade the below region. So let me substitute 0, 0 in the second inequation. Substitute 0, 0 in x plus 2y greater than or equal to 8. So in x place if I put 0, I will have 0. Y place if I put 0, 2 into 0 also I will have 0. And 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 8. Like that we get. But it is absolutely wrong. That means 0, 0 is not satisfying this inequation. That means I should not shade this region. So now let me select a point 4, 4. You can see 4, 4 lies this region above the red line. So now let me substitute 4, 4 and see whether it is satisfying the second inequation. So substitute 4, 4 in the second equation x plus 2y greater than or equal to 8. So x place let me put 4, y place let me put 4. So 4 2s are 8. So what is the conclusion I will get is 12 is greater than or equal to 8. 12 is surely greater than 8. So it is satisfying the inequation. That means I have to shade the region which is above the red line. So let me shade the region which is above the red line. So all this area which is above the red line, I have to shade it up. So I am shading the region which is above the red line. So this particular shaded region satisfies the second inequation. Okay. Now let us move on to the third inequation. What is the third inequation we are having? We have already put the tabular column. It is x is equal to 0, y is equal to 6 and x is equal to 6, y is equal to 0. So I should plot these 2 points 0, 6 and 6, 0. 0, 6. We know that 0, 6 is here and 6, 0. 6, 0 will be here. Now let me shade the region which is let me join the line 0, 6 and 6, 0. So let me join 0, 6 and 6, 0. So this blue color line represents the third line 0, 6 and 6, 0. Now for this blue color line I have to see which side I have to shade. Whether I have to shade this side or I have to shade above this line. So again let me select the point 0, 0. Now if I select 0, 0, I have to substitute in this inequation. So when I substitute it in this inequation, I will have substitute 0, 0 in x plus 2y greater than or equal to 8. So x is 0, y is 0. So I will have 0 plus 0 is greater than 8. Sorry, your third equation is what? X plus I have to substitute it in the third inequation. So substitute 0, 0 in x plus y less than or equal to 6. Sorry, we have to substitute in the third inequation. So when I substitute, what I will have is 0 plus 0 is less than or equal to 6. That is 0 is less than or equal to 6. It is absolutely true because 0 is less than 6. That means the point 0, 0 is satisfying the third inequation. So I have to shade this particular. So I have to shade the region below this blue line where 0, 0 is there. That means I have to shade this particular region. So this particular region should be shaded, which is below the blue line. Now we have to select the common area where all the three inequation is satisfied. So you can see this is that common area. In this particular region only all the three inequalities are satisfied. So this particular region satisfies the first inequality, it satisfies the second inequality, also it satisfies the third inequality, because you can see all the shaded region is having the intersection only in this area. So this particular area is only our solution. So this particular area should be highlighted, which is our solution.